Mineral resources have supported the development of modern civilization. This plays an important role in the economy of any nation. These are widely used in the development of infrastructure facilities and greatly influenced industrialization. The naturally occurring ores and minerals are generally associated with unwanted gangue minerals and make them unsuitable for direct industrial applications. Mineral ores are to be beneficiated for separation of valuable minerals, for extraction of metals, and for use in other mineral-based industries. CSIR, National Metallurgical Laboratory, has been engaged in R&D in mineral characterization and beneficiation. It has established state-of-the-art laboratory facilities for characterization, bench and pilot skill beneficiation. During the last more than 6 decades, it has undertaken systematic research on beneficiation of a large variety of indigenous and foreign ore and mineral samples. The first step in development of beneficiation process technology is a thorough characterization of ores and minerals of interest with respect to physical, chemical and neurological characteristics. The physical parameters and chemical composition indicate suitability of ore for potential industrial applications grade and the level of impurity associated with the ores. This, along with determination of mineralogical, testral and liberation characteristics, are important for formative strategy for separation of valuable minerals from the gangues. Optical microscopy in association with instrumental technique such as X-ray diffraction and SEM with EDAC are helpful in neurological and liberation analysis of ores. Liberation of value minerals from gangue is achieved by size reduction. Size reduction is carried out in stages using crushers and grinding mills. Normally, closed-circuit grinding is preferred with optimum liberation with economy separation of minerals. This separation of liberated mineral particles is carried out utilizing difference in physical and physicochemical properties. The difference in mineral property such as specific defaulties, magnetic susceptibility, conductivity and sulfur characteristics used for this purpose. The products are dewatered for subsequent utilization. It may be appreciated that in lieu of the widely buried nature of neurological samples, the processes proceeds are to be designed addressing neurological complexity and based on the liberation and beneficiation characteristics of the ore samples. As per the results of characterization studies, extensive laboratory beneficial studies are carried out involving different techniques to develop beneficial process route for the ore sample under consideration. Advanced gravity, magnetic and production techniques are used for achieving optimum metallurgical performance. The process developed from laboratory studies is validated through pilot skill study and process flowsheet is designed. Based on the studies undertaken at CSIR NML, process technology has been developed for beneficiation of ferrous, non-ferrous, non-metallic ores and coal. A number of beneficial plants have been commissioned in public and private sectors based on the technical know-how provided by CSIR NML. The research for development of mineral beneficial technology at CSIR NML has been supported by public and private sector industries, government agencies and many foreign institutions which are gratefully acknowledged.